In this video, we will be covering how to configure speed dial on Akuvox door phones. If you're working with Akuvox or planning to do so, it's crucial that you collaborate with Global Visions Inc. If you are a property manager, we will help ensure that you're working with a genuine, certified installer. If you are an installer or looking to become a certified installer, we will ensure that you are purchasing through an authorized distributor who provides the best technical support to ensure your success. For this example, we will be using Doorphone R29 and indoor monitors C319 and C313. First, on the dial interface of the R29, dial 9999, then select a call button. Then dial 3888 to enter the system settings page. Here, make note of the IP address. Now, open a web browser and enter the IP address. Next, log into the device web interface by using the default username and password, admin. Under the Intercom tab, select the Key and Display tab. Here, select Building Theme. Then, scroll down to the section Key and Home page of the building theme. Under Type, select Speed Dial. In the name box, enter the default name, Reception, then enter the IP address in the value box. When finished, select Submit. Next, on the door phone, press the reception button to dial the numbers that were set up. The steps to configure other door phones are the same, but the routes are different. Please refer to this chart. As for non-touch screen door phones, we will be using the R20K as an example. First, enter the following code on the door phone, which is *3258*. The device IP address will be presented in audio form.
192.168.0.7.
Now, open a web browser and enter the IP address. Next, log into the device web interface by using the default username and password, admin, under the Intercom tab. Then select the Basic tab. Scroll down to Speed Dial. Here, you will enter the IP address. Back to the devices. On the R20K, tap the Dial button to make a call. For more information about IP addresses for door phones, please visit the Akuvox knowledge base. Search How to Check IP Address. Here, you will find the detailed steps. IP addresses can also be obtained through the Akuvox IP scanner, which you can download and install from Akuvox knowledge base. If you have any questions about Akuvox, please contact us at globalvisionsinc.com.